So today we'll start Spark core programming. So I said Spark has Spark core, Spark SQL, Spark streaming, Spark mlib, so machine library, machine learning library, and next one Spark graph processing library, Spark graphics. So it is graph processing library. So today we'll start Spark core. Spark core. Spark core is heart of Spark application. Spark core is heart of Spark. On top of Spark core, on top of Spark core programming, Spark core, they developed what? They implemented remaining technologies, Spark SQL, Spark streaming, and Spark mlib, and Spark graphics. These are implemented on top of this Spark core. So Spark core is main abstraction in Spark. Okay. In Spark core, RDD. RDD stands for resilient distributed dataset. Distributed dataset. So resilient distributed dataset. In Spark core programming, RDD is a data storage object. Data storage object. Data storage object in Spark core. Spark core. So in Spark core, which is data storage object, RDD is the data storage object. What is RDD? We'll see later. So RDD, simply say it is a data storage object in Spark core. Spark core. Okay. So to implement Spark core programming, to write or implement Spark core programming, we need to import package. We need to download or add Spark core dependency. Spark core dependency in build.xml file, build.sbt file. So to write a Spark core programming, we need to download or add Spark core dependency in build.sbt file. So what is the Spark core dependency? Let's go search Spark core dependency sbt file. So click on this first link. Here you will see org.apache.spark. Here you will see Spark core. So here we have different versions. Spark core currently supporting Scala version 2.11. Scala version 2.11. So one important note in Spark programming implementation. Current version of Spark current version of Spark, supporting Scala 2.11.x versions. 2.11.x versions. Scala current version is Scala current version is 2.12.x. Okay, so Scala current version is 2.12.x, but currently Spark supporting 2.11.x version. Okay, so we need to add this dependency. Spark core dependency into Spark application. Okay, next we can implement, or we can write or implement Spark programming in batch mode and second one in interactive mode. We can implement Spark core programming or Spark programming in two modes. One is interactive mode and another one is batch mode. Okay, so first let's implement sample Spark core program to load file and find number of records. To load and find number of records. So this is our requirement. So first requirement is write a Spark core program to load file and find number of records. Okay, let me open first one, IntelliJ IDEA. Let me first open our directory under Qt quality that we created Spark and Scala. Under this one we are created batch 3. Under this we have workspace, right? So this is our workspace. What I'm doing here, I'm creating one directory called Spark core. So I'm creating Spark core directory. Let's open IntelliJ IDEA. Yep. Let me create a new project. New. So I'm creating project. My project, select Scala SBT. Click on next. So here what I'm doing. So in this location, Spark Scala batch 3 workspace. So under this workspace, so what I'm giving title is I'm giving Spark core. Let's go and select that directory. Under batch 3 workspace, Spark core. Select this Spark core. Okay. Let's click on finish. 1 minute. I did mistake. Yep. Let me close this one. Yep, let's go workspace. I said one important point, I forgot that one. What is that mistake, Prasad? Yep, correct, Hemant. You are correct. So Scala, it is default selected latest version because in our mission, latest version is there. So I didn't select Scala version. So if you select a default Scala 5.12.x version, what will happen? Spark will not support. So that's the reason we have to select Scala version. Yep. Let's create a new project and SBT. Click on next. Here under Scala batch 3, give Spark core. Spark core. And here we have to select Scala 2.11.x version. Any 2.11.x version. Click on finish. Yes, I want to open in same window. So it is creating Spark core, Spark programming structure. Spark programming structure. So see Spark programming structure. So Spark application name. Spark application name. And here in this SRC, under SRC you will see main. You will see under main you will see Scala. Under Scala we will write package. Under Scala we'll write create package. We'll create what? Package. Under package we'll create any name dot Scala. So we'll write Scala applications. Next one, here with SRC parallelly you will see build.sbt file. Under this one we add required dependencies. We add required dependencies. We add required dependencies. So let's see. So this is extract Spark core. Here you will see SRC. Under main you will see Scala. Right click on this one. Right click on this one. New. Still it is creating project. No. Right click on the Scala. New. Let me refresh rebuild the project. A plugin by default previously we added in starting day one or starting day one Spark we added plugin. Because of that only we are seeing Scala SBT while creating project. I think you also seen that one. Right click on this one, new. Here it has to show one project. Why it is not showing? No, this is nowhere related to object to TZ. Not that one. Initially we seen one update, right? Plugin, not plugin, update option here. Let's go Windows. No, we don't require any of these one. So these are not required. Yep, one more time rebuild. Okay, one more time build module Spark core. Still it is not showing that package option. Let's restart this one, Spark or sorry, IntelliJ IDEA. You will get update option after starting. Let's start this one. It is nowhere related to our Spark programming issue. It's related to IDA. Okay, no worries, we can resolve it. So we got some here. Click on this import changes. Maybe project structure is not built properly. Yep, it is updated successfully. Right click on Scala, new. Still we are seeing same thing. Yep, let me resolve this issue first. Only let's create one more project just for sample purpose. Test. So Scala 11.12.x. Click on finish. Yep, new window. Expand this one. Expand SRC. Expand main. Right click here. See, still same. Let's wait for dumping project structure. Okay. Let's right click on Scala. New. Yep. Here we are seeing package. Okay. Only something happened with that project creation. So that's why we didn't see that one. Okay. Here we create a package. Create package. com.qt dot spark core. Spark dot core. I'm creating a package com.qt dot spark dot core. Okay. Under this core, I'm writing class spark Scala class. I'm selecting class name. I'm giving spark core app. Spark core app. Here select type is object. Click on OK. Okay. Next, write main method. Def main method. Inside main method, first step val s equal to new spark context. So spark context require spark configuration object sc object. So here we are seeing error, right? Because this one is not added. Dependency is not added. Let's add that dependency. So this is the dependency, right? Let's add this dependency. Add this dependency under build.sbt. Add this dependency. Click on import a project. Let's wait to download that SBT. Once it is completed, then here it will show some package name. It will show some package name. Just import that package. It will resolve this issue. Currently, it is not showing any required package because jar file is not available in our application. So it is downloaded successfully. Let's paste cursor once again. Here you will see Alt Enter or cursor. Let's press Alt Enter. It will automatically import that package. Okay. Then it is required Spark context object, Spark config object. So how do we pass configuration object is, first we create a val conf equal to new Spark conf. Alt Enter. It will import that package. Next, conf dot set master name. So Spark dot master. What is the master here? We are using local. Okay, local master we are using. Next one, conf dot set spark dot app dot name. We are setting application name Spark core app, Spark core app. So what is the advantage of setting this application means, we can open web UI, and we can verify application flow. So if you want to know what is the happening inside that application, then we will open web UI and we will see. I will show how to open web UI later. Okay. So presently we set application name, then we pass this configuration object to Spark context. So Spark context is created. Once Spark context is created, then create RDD. Create RDD by loading file. So our requirement is let's implement a Spark core program to load file and find a number of records. So this is our workspace, right? Here let's go batch 3. Here we have a data directory. Under data directory we have a file. Let's open this one. So this is file. So I'm writing welcome to Spark. And that after that I given some comment. Let's copy. Let's go and copy this path. Here load val rdd1 equal to sc dot text file is a function. Sc.text file is a function. Here we pass our file path / comment.txt. So sc.text file is a function. Here we pass text file name. Next requirement is what? Count number of records. So once we create object, we will do what? rdd1 dot count. Okay. Then we print that count by using println and print that count. Okay. Then finally close sc dot close sc dot stop. Okay. This is our program. Program development is completed. Right click on this one, run Spark core. Click on this run Spark core. So it is started compiling, cleaning and creating new .class files and started executing this program. Observe, this is our console. Inside console it is showing could not find or load main class Spark core. So I will see the error why it is giving. Let's this time just simply close this one and Once again, start this IDE. Next class, I will resolve that issue. Let's click on import changes. Let's make full screen. So it is started, right? What is happening? We are opening different one. Open. So here under user, under desktop, quality thought, under Spark and Scala, batch 3. Here under workspace, Spark, no, test, right? Open test. Okay. Same window. Okay. Right click on this one. Run as Spark core application. So now it started executing your program. We got output is 4 records, right? We got output is 4 records. So we implemented this one in batch mode. We implemented this one in batch mode. So next, see, same thing. We implement in interactive mode. In interactive mode. In interactive mode. Let's see, same thing. Implement in interactive mode. Interactive mode. So interactive mode we open by clicking on this SBT cell here. Here type console. Console to start. Console to start SBT cell. So it will start. It will start Scala prompt. So it is started Scala console. Then write first import org dot apache dot apache dot spark dot underscore to import all packages. Instead of one package, we are using all package. We are importing all package. Next to see, we return first configuration object and we set the parameters. Then finally we pass this one to Spark context, right? Instead of writing multiple statement, let's write a single statement. Val sc equal to new, val s equal to new, spark context, and pass new spark conf object, dot set, what is the master name? Spark dot master. Master name is local. Okay. Next dot set. I'm setting application name. Spark dot app dot name. Application name is Spark core app. Spark core app. So that's it. We set Spark application name. Then press enter. So it is going to create a Spark context object. Spark context object. Then this is the web UI. This is the web UI. So let's open this one, copy this path and open browser. Let's open this path, press enter. You will see Spark web UI. Here it is showing jobs, stages, storage, environment, executors. So what is jobs, what is stages, what is storage, what is environment, what is executor? We are going to see clearly in later classes. Okay. So this is Spark web UI. Then here we see jobs information. Okay, let's open this one. And next one, sc dot set log level. Why I am setting log level means default it display all logs, but I don't want to display all logs. Just I am giving indication to Spark context, show only warning logs. Next, sc dot load. So let's create RDD. RDD 1 equal to sc dot text file and pass text file path. What is the path? So this is the path, right? So this is the path. Then once we loaded, what happened here? Yep, we need to add slash, slashes are removed, slash, 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 double slash, because it is a text C drive. That's why we have to, sorry, this is Windows path. So we want after slash in double quotes. If you put any slash, it will expect a slash and slash t, slash t. So we want to give, this is not formatting character, this is slash. That's why we enter two slashes. So RDD is created. Once it is created, then RDD1 dot count. So we got count is 4. I want to display the content of RDD. Then RDD1 dot collect dot for each, and we pass println.